So today's project is we're going to take the mower deck off, put the blower on, and get the cover all ready to go. I got a nice soft side cover for it. I've already turned the wheels on the deck sideways and lock them into position so I can just slide it out. The other thing you need to do right away is put your mower deck height or your attachment height down to the lowest setting. Pull your raise and lower lift thing, leg thing, all the way back, lock it into position. That's done. So now I'm going to take the front pins off of the mower deck that holds the front in place. Then the back one, well actually before that I got to take the belt off. And remember, the belt has that lever that you just pull, that torsion lever, and that loosens the belt up, and then you can just slide it right off. So belt, front pins, and back pins. Roll it out, clean it up, sharpen the blades, done. So for the project specialist, with a little tip here, when you put your John Deere 44-inch snowblower on, the John Deere 44, check this pulley. Okay, if it's loose, tip your mower or blower deck up like this, and you will find that there's a little set screw right here for this. It may work itself loose. I found that with mine, so I'm going to tighten that up. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Check out all my other videos at the Project Specialist. A lot of good tips there. Take care. Okay, so as I'm setting up the blower, I want to show you the raise arm goes in this little elbow right here, and then you bring the raise arm over to here. This is the piece that sits on the front. Okay, that is got a bar that goes through underneath here and just gets clipped into place. And now the blower, those yellow knobs are going to sit in here, and then the pins on the bottom just snap shut to hold it in place. Make sure you run your belt back before you start doing this. The reason I want to show you this is a number of the X300s are set up a little differently. They have the arms that go over the axles, and so I haven't seen a video of this setup. So now you've got this setup for the 44 blower and how it goes on to the X300 series. Take care. I'll show it to you when it's all done. Just a quick summary, we're all done. I got the hood shined up, I changed the air filter, I checked the oil on it, greased the front hubs. That's all taken care of on the tractor itself. We cleaned the cover up, put the cover on. This is a bit of a challenge, I got to tell you. Everything kind of took a little bit today, but this is a bit of a challenge to put this on because John Deere's got these designed to fit so tight that trying to get everything stretched and in place, it takes a bit. It took me about an hour and a half to get it done, and I had my wife help me hang the door on the hinges. The hinges are kind of a tricky thing to do. So all in all, this is ready to go for the winter. I used it twice last year. I'm hoping to use it a lot more this year. Hit that like and subscribe button. And like I said, this is the only one that I've seen that has this style hookup for the blower. Have a great day.